Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable the automatic update appearance on LinkedIn. This feature can notify your connections about every little change you make, which might not always be desirable. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and is the gateway to your account settings. Next, tap on the Me icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Now that you're in the Settings section, scroll down until you find Account Preferences. Click on this option to access more settings related to your account. Under Account Preferences, look for the section labeled Display. Here, you'll find an option for Dark Mode. This feature allows you to switch between light and dark modes based on your preference. To choose your desired mode, simply click on Dark Mode. You will be presented with two options, light and dark. Select the one that suits you best. If you prefer a classic look, go with light mode. If you're a fan of a sleeker design that's easier on the eyes in low-light environments, opt for dark mode. Once you've made your selection, your LinkedIn appearance will instantly update to reflect your choice. This simple adjustment not only personalizes your experience, but also helps manage how updates are shared with your network. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the automatic update appearance on LinkedIn while customizing your display settings. Now you can navigate LinkedIn without worrying about notifying everyone every time you make a change. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience.